Snail belongs to the class of animal called the molluscan gastropoid. Snails are relatively slow-growing animals. Snails are hermaphrodites, that is, snail possesses both male and female reproductive organs. Snails are special creatures because all snail components were similar to that of palm oil trees. From the meat to the slime, down to the egg, as well as the shell. All these were means of generating huge income to individuals who ventures into snail farming business. The meat is rich in protein for human consumptions. Snail slime is used in making body cream for the treatment of stretch marks. The egg is used for treating high blood pressure, while the shell is a huge source of carbohydrate for poultry farmers. Starting a snail farming, we need to consider the following factors. Firstly, snail species. Secondly, snails or housing system. Thirdly, the soil. And lastly, feeding. Snail species. There are different types of snail species all over the world, but three major types are suitable for snail farming business. We have the Achatina species, Achatina fulica species, and the Achatina marginata species. Achatina species has a pointed tail, a yellowish shell, and it has the ability of laying between 100 to 200 clutch of egg, but the chance of survival of the egg is extremely low. That is, out of 200 eggs, maybe 10 will survive. Achatina fulica species. The Achatina fulica species has a narrow conical shell which is twice as long as it is wide and contains 7 to 9 wolves when fully grown. It is the smallest in size among all the desirable species for rearing. Achatina marginata can grow up to 20 centimeters and could live up to 10 good years. Among these three species, Achatina, and the Achatina marginata are both the most desirable for farmers because they have the tendency of growing so big to become the biggest snail species ever in the world. Achatina species has its origin from Nigeria before it spread to Liberia and Ghana. The second factor to consider is the snail, that is the housing system. This depends on the material available to you at that particular point in time. We need to understand that snails are easily dehydrated, which could lead to estivation, that is, forming white cover because of dryness. To prevent snails from losing water so quickly, you need to site your snail farm in a place that is located in an environment that is protected from wind. A low plain downhill side surrounded with enough trees is perfect for snail farming. You may plant plantains and banana around your farm to prevent the impact of wind and direct sunlight. You could use tires or drums or construct a block pen and use mosquito mesh to cover your snail pen in order to prevent predators such as snail, lizard, rats, termites, and so on from having access to your snail. The third factor to consider when siting a snail farm is the soil. You need to look for a very suitable soil